Welcome back. On the bench I have a Takamine G-230. As you can see, the bridge pin for the low E string rises out of the hole by quite a bit. I'm concerned that the ball end of the string is tearing the wood inside, and may eventually damage the soundboard or bridge. Let's take a look inside and see what might be causing this. That low E string pin is hard to take out. The hole on the far left is for the low E string. It looks like it has been worn out by the ball end of the string. I'm going to replace this bridge pad. Before I take the old bridge pad out, I need to make a template for the new one. I tape a piece of paper over the old bridge pad inside the guitar and trace its outline with a pencil. I then cut the outline and tape the paper back in place to see how close I came to the proper shape. I call this kind of work guitar yoga. Close, but I can do better. It took several tries to get a good template. These are the tools I will use to remove the bridge pad. The black trapezoid-looking object is a block of metal that is heated to soften the glue. I heat this on a hot plate to 250 degrees. The object that looks like a fish hook is a chisel designed specifically for bridge pad removal, along with the white block of heat-resistant nylon. The removal tool needs to cool a bit, so I let it sit on the workmate. More guitar yoga. After waiting for the glue to soften for a few minutes, it's time to take the metal block out. It is still hot, so a glove is needed to handle it. This is hard work. It turns out that the old bridge pad is made of plywood. So when I soften the glue that holds it to the soundboard, I also soften the glue holding the layers of the plywood together. The bridge pad is removed in many pieces. I am saving the larger pieces of the old bridge pad so I can put them together like a puzzle in order to check my template. I check that the position of the pad removal tool covers the old bridge pad as much as possible. It took several sessions to get the old bridge pad removed. Not perfect, but good enough. Let's see how well my template matches the old bridge pad. Pretty good fit. Preparing the new bridge pad. I draw lines to make the new pad slightly larger than the old pad. The sander allows me to make straight lines. I sneak up on the final dimensions. Test fit looks good. I'm pre-drilling holes to minimize tear out after the pad is installed. Preparing for the glue up. A shop towel will catch any glue that drips from the pad. More guitar yoga. The glue holds the pad in position, making the placement of the clamps easier. glue and sizing the string holes. I use a tapered reamer to get the holes the correct size. The tape lets me know when I have reamed to the correct depth. Check the fit of the bridge pins. One last visual inspection. Nice work. Strings installed and it's ready to play.